What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add flight details in Google Calendar. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then from the apps or in the search bar, type in Google Calendar. After typing the Google Calendar, you will open this calendar of Google, and to make sure to log in or just connect with your mail or your Google account to the Google Calendar. So after coming here on the top, you can see the option of settings. You can see the settings icon, click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, on your left side, you can see event settings. Click on this event settings and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see show events from Gmail. Make sure to check this checkbox. By checking this checkbox, when you will receive the flight confirmation email, it will directly send it to the Google Calendar and it will add all the flight details in the Google Calendar, like the date, the time, everything. So that's how you can add flight details in Google Calendar by just simply checking this checkbox. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.